As the new pilot pantry is going to be much more clinical, you should expect questions very similar to this. And how would you respond to this question? A 4-month-old presents to the clinic with cough that mom describes as intermittent and severe. States child has had a week of a runny nose and a coarse cough, but then progressed to this intermittent, much more severe and tight cough. And in the clinic, you notice this sound. Now, with that cough, how would you treat that child? Steroids, beta-2 agonists, antitussives, or a macrolide antibiotic? So that's the question of the day. Remember that the pilot pantry is going to be much more clinical, and I love that because in the old days when I taught board review courses, there were a lot of hacks that I had to teach people. Key ways these test writers were going to write tricky questions. Cool thing is now there's no hacks. It's about how do you practice really good medicine. So if you hear this cough, what does that make you think of? Answer to be revealed shortly. And please remember, guys, if you like how I'm teaching, we have live courses, we have videos, and we have a really incredibly cool study resource that's going to be revealed in 4 days. Stay tuned.